everybody. Welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas Activities by Artsy, Craftsy, Mom, and me. Today, we're going to be making a snowman out of a bulb. This sounds fun. Let's get started on our work. We will need these paints, a bulb, and any string or cloth you have at home. We will start by painting the bulb white. It's all dried up. Let's paint the hat red. Now we're going to paint the features on the face. Now we're going to paint Frosty's little orange nose. Now we're going to make some buttons for Frosty. Let's give his hat a black border. Next, we're going to put some polka dots on his hat. See? He's so cute. Now we're going to cut our scarf. Now we're going to cut a V on each end of the scarf. Now we're going to hang the string so we can hang it on our Christmas tree. Aw, isn't he adorable? Have you ever seen a cute snowman like this? I bet you haven't. Go and decorate your Christmas tree with your cute Frosty the Snowman. Follow us on our page to see the other upcoming Christmas videos.